Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making some Rasta pasta. Okay guys, so Rasta pasta is a very simple dish that can be made in under 30 minutes. It's a very flavorful and spicy dish that can be adjusted according to your liking. Now I have 2 chicken breasts cut up into cubes. You can also leave these whole if you like, that's completely up to you. We have some sweet peppers, some heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, penne pasta, some green onion and garlic, and of course we have the jerk seasoning. Now this is usually the jerk seasoning that I like to use in the house. It is Grace Jerk Seasoning, and I am using the mild flavor today. I'll start by seasoning the chicken, and I'll be starting off with some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'll be adding the jerk seasoning. I'll add all the measurements down below in the description box. I'll also be adding a bit of browning to the chicken, and this is completely optional. Mix it all together. Now I'll set this aside to marinate. Now you can usually leave this to marinate for about 30 minutes to 2 hours, even overnight if you like. Right now I'm just going to set it aside for about 30 minutes. Now I just have a pot of boiling salted water, and I will be adding in my pasta, and you'll just cook the pasta to the directions on. While my pasta is cooking, I will cut up all the veggies that I'll be using in the dish. So that'll be half a red pepper and half a green pepper. I'll be using 2 stalks of green onion and 3 cloves of garlic. I have my pan set to medium-high heat, and I'll be adding in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'll let that heat up till it's nice and hot. And then I'll add in all the chicken. I'll let the chicken cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And if you've reached this far, please, please, please make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Once the chicken is cooked through, I'll remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now, using the same pan, I'll add in about 1 tablespoon of butter right into the oil and just let that melt. And then I'll be adding in the green and red peppers. Now let these just saute for about 2 minutes. Next, I'll add in the garlic and let that fry for about 1 minute. And then I'll add in the green onions and cook for another minute. Now I'll be adding in about 2 cups of heavy cream. I'll just give it a good whisk just to make sure everything is well blended together. And then we will be seasoning the sauce. I'll be starting with some salt, some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic powder, a bit of onion powder, some black pepper. Give all of that a good mix. And then I'll be adding just about 1.5 teaspoons of that jerk seasoning right into the sauce. I'll add in my Parmesan cheese, and I also added in a bit of mozzarella. It's just what I had left in the fridge, but you can add whatever cheese you like at this point. And then I'm just gonna add a bit of paprika. Now I'll add in my pasta. And I'll add in my chicken. And it's all done. Creamy, cheesy Rasta pasta. Thanks for tuning in, and join me next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.